All right, today class, we're going to finish up the mid-module assessment for Module 6. It said each problem set up and solve an equation for the unknown angles, M and N. All right, first thing you need to look for is vertical angles. We know vertical angles are equal. So we're going to try to find M and N using a vertical angle. If I look at the angle that's vertical to M, I don't have an angle here, so I can't use vertical angle for M. So let's look at the vertical angle for N. We know that N does have a vertical angle, and that's 90 degrees. So we can set up an equation and solve for N. Vertical angles are equal, so N is equal to 90 degrees because of vertical angles. Alright, so now that I have N is equal to 90 degrees, I can figure out what is my M. Now, I know that this M is vertical to this M, because that's vertical angles. M is vertical to M degrees. Now that I know that, I can set up a straight line where I have all the angles on this line, and I know they're equal to 180 degrees. So I have M plus 25 plus 90 plus 40 equals 180 degrees. Second step, I combine all my like terms. That's M plus, that's 130 plus 25, 155 equals 180. I subtract 155 on both sides of my equal sign. And I know that M is equal to 25 degrees. So I know if this M is equal to 25 degrees, and this M is equal to 25 degrees because of vertical angles. If this angle is 40 degrees, this angle is equal to 40 degrees because of vertical angles. If this angle is 25 and this angle is 25, and that's all because of vertical angles, and they are equal. This is an equation, and this is an equation. This is angles on a line. Angles on a line, and these are vertical angles. I got my two equations, so I met all my standards for these two. Any questions? A, B, C, and D are all the same. You can find them using angles on a line or vertical angles, and you can find either M or N. You can find M or N. Okay? We're going to construct. We're going to talk about 2A and B. I'm going to do that in class. So, well, I'm going to do that at another day, at a later time. Let's talk about angles. Now, triangles can be identified by size or shape. Now, on these two, you see that they have two angles and one side. These have two angles and one side. So we got to identify the base. The base. So we're going to go straight line. We got an angle with two lines. Then we have a side. Then we have an angle with one line. Then go take a look at our other triangle. Again, we start off with an angle with two lines. We have a side, which is a base, and we have an angle with one line. So these two triangles are identical. They are identical because of angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle are all the same. Let's look at this one. Let's see if they are identical. Now, again, we have two angles and a side. However, on the first triangle, you got an angle, and then you have a side at the bottom, and another angle. Then you have a angle on this side. Then you have a side and an angle, but they are not identical because this side doesn't tell you if it's equal to this side because they are at two different locations. So this is not enough information. They are not identical. It's not enough information for us to tell. Because we even need to know this side or we need to know this side. Alright, C and D you can do on your own. Constructing triangles. We're going to construct triangles and rectangles. I'm going to do that on another video. Okay. We're going down to number 5. It says the measure of two complementary angles have a ratio set up and solve this equation. Determine if the two measurement of determine two measurements of angle. So I know I got a first angle. I have a first angle, and I have a second angle. Now I know they have a ratio of 3 to 7, or they have multiples. They are multiples of 3 and 7 that are complementary. Complementary angles. We know that complementary angles equal 90 degrees. So I don't know the multiples of 3. They'll give me 90 degrees added to the multiple of 7. So what I say is 3 times a number plus 7 times a number is going to equal 90 degrees. 3 times a number, I don't know, plus 7 times a number, again, a multiple of 7, I don't know, they're going to equal 90 degrees. So my first angle is 3x, and my second angle is 7x. I combine like terms, that give me 10x equal 90 degrees, and I divide both sides of my equation by 10, and that's going to give me x equals 9 degrees. X equals 9 degrees. So I know my first step is write my expression. My second step is to plug in for x. 3 times 9, and that's 27 degrees. So my first angle is 27 degrees. I do the same thing with my 7 times 9, and that is 63 degrees. So my first angle is 27 degrees, and my third angle is 63 degrees. Now I should add these two up, and they should equal 90 degrees. All right, let's move on to a hard one. Supplement. The measure of the supplementary angle is the measure of the supplement of an angle. The supplement of an angle, I know that equal to 180 degrees. Is 12 less the measure of the angle. Set up and they solve the equation determinant of the two angles. So I got a first angle again, and I have a second angle again. Now it says the supplement of an angle that less than is 12 less than the measure of my first angle. So I don't know my first angle, so that's x minus 12. So my first angle have to be x, and my second angle is less than, I have to flip it. x minus 12. I have my two angles. Now I'm going to set up an equation because I know they're equal to 180. So x plus x minus 12 is equal to 180. So now all I have to do is solve this equation. I can't combine anything in parentheses. I have anything multiply outside of my parentheses. So now I'm going to my combined like terms. I got to circle my sign. So that is 2x minus or plus or negative 12 equal 180 degrees. If that's minus 12, I got to add 12 to both sides. Add 12 to this side. And that gives me 2x. My 12 cancel out. Equal 192. I divide by 2 on both sides of my equal sign. And I have to see what that is. 192 divided by 2. I know that's 9, 18, 12, 6, 12, count. So x is 96. So I know that this first one, I rewrite my expression, plug in. So I know my first angle is 96 degrees, and my second angle is 12 less than, or 96 minus 12. First step, second step, third step. 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 1 is 84. So if I add 84 to, 96 to 84, I should get 180 degrees. I should get 180 degrees. Now this last step, I am not going to do. That is for you guys to do. You can do that one on your own. Okay, now with these two, again, I'm going to tell you how to construct triangles and rectangles on another video. Constructing triangles and rectangles on another video. But in order for us to construct a triangle, we must make sure that the first side plus the second side is greater than the third side. Alright. So first side plus second side. The first side is 3 plus 4 should be greater than 5. 3 plus 4 is 7, greater than 5. That's true. So we need to construct this triangle. We need to construct. Let's do this one first. First side plus the second side is greater than the third side. That is 4 plus 5 should be greater than 11. And that's 9 is greater than 11. And that is false. So we cannot construct this triangle because the length of the first side plus the length of the second side is not greater than the third side. And the triangle length is not enough. It's too long for the legs. The third side is too long for the legs. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.